how to unfollow everyone on Instagram. So once you're here on Instagram, what you need to do is to go in your profile icon. So tap here on your profile icon on the bottom right. Once you're here, is that you want to scroll up, and then from here you should now see your post, followers, and following. So in here, you would want to unfollow, so which means you need to go here into your following. So tap on it, and from here you'd now be able to see every account that you are following. So in this case, all you have to do is to tap here on the three dots right here on the right side, and from here you have the unfollow button. So that's how you do it on how you can unfollow an account right here. But the only problem here is you would want to unfollow everyone. So if you have a lot of users in here, then what you could do is basically you want to do it one by one, because there is no direct feature here that would let you unfollow them all at once. But there is an alternative, and what you can do is by going back and tapping here on the three horizontal bars on the top right, and from here you want to scroll down until you see help right here. Tap on help, and now you want to tap on report a problem, and from here tap on report problem without shaking, and then tap on include and continue, and from here you basically want to talk to the Instagram support, and from here you would want to say that, hi, I want to unfollow everyone on my following list. I can't do it myself because there is too many. Please remove all of them for me on my account. Maybe something like that, and then thank you. Just as simple as this. After that, you want to tap here on send, and then just wait for the response of Instagram support, and then they should respond to you and grant your request, and then they would be able to remove all of your following list on your account. And that's it.